Welcome back to the Second Time Lucky Mining channel. In today's quick video, we are going to have a look at converting our Flux-Algorand into native Flux. If you like the Flux content, please like the video and maybe even consider subscribing to the channel. It will help me out a great deal. But enough of sharing my channel, let's jump into the content. Now, if you haven't watched my previous video, I'll leave a link in the video description and tag it at the top. But in today's video, we are specifically going to have a look at converting my Flux-Algorand that I've claimed via the snapshot, and potentially you even have claimed from rewards from your node. How do I take that Flux-Algorand token and convert it into native Flux to stand up more nodes? Now, what we are going to make use of is Zelcore, and specifically within Zelcore, we are going to make use of the Fusion app. Now, I've done a couple of videos of this in the past, and it's really the same process. There is a couple of prerequisites. Obviously, I need to have the Algorand Flux parallel asset within my wallet, and again, you could have claimed it via a snapshot, or you could have claimed the parallel asset from the rewards from your nodes. And if you don't know how to do that, I'll leave a link in the video description and tag it at the top, but it's really straightforward. Now, in order to do this conversion from Flux or from the parallel asset, the Algorand parallel asset, into native Flux, you will need to have a little bit of Algorand within your wallet that you are doing this swap from. So it's important that you have Algorand within your wallet, because there are gas fees associated to it, because this specific parallel asset exists on the Algorand blockchain. So we need to move it over from the Algorand blockchain to the native Flux blockchain, and there is unfortunately fees associated to that. Now, what I like to do, and again, there's lots of different options. I like to get my Algorand from KuCoin, but if you're a miner, you could have used unminable. I know there's a couple of guys that have done that. I know the hobbyist miner has specifically done that, or you can potentially use quick swap within Zelcore. But the bottom line is you unfortunately need to have Algorand within the wallet that you are performing the swap to. Now, enough talking about it. Let's jump on the computer and I'll show you guys how to convert your Flux-Algorand parallel asset into native Flux. Okay, so here I am on the computer. Now, in order to do the conversion from Flux-Algorand to native Flux, I would need to use the Zelcore wallet. And here you can see I've got it open. Now, I just wanted to confirm two things here. First off, I just want to confirm in which wallet my Flux-Algorand token is, and here you can see it's in my income wallet. And the second thing is I just want to make sure that I have some Flux and some Algorand within the same wallet, because when I'm going to swap my Flux-Algorand token into native Flux, I would need to unfortunately pay gas fees. But as you guys can see here, I do have both of those within the same wallet. So that should enable me to do the swap. Okay, so now I'm going to do the swap. So for that, I'm going to go to apps and then select Fusion. And at the top here, I'm just going to confirm the wallet that I'm swapping. As you can see, it's income here. The from asset, in this case, I want the Algorand asset here. So I'm going to say Flux-Algorand. And then I want to swap into our native Flux. And then I would specify the amount. So in my case, I'm just going to specify 100. Now, what's important here is have a look at the bottom. So you would see there is a fee of 2 Flux and then a fee of Algorand, 0.001 Algorand. So it's important that you have got the fees within the same wallet as you performing the swap. Now, in my case, I'm just going to specify swap and say yes. And there you would see it's now specified, it's busy swapping. Now, you just need to be a little bit patient, and then once this is done, the native Flux will be inside your wallet. After being a little bit patient, here you can see the swap is finished. I'm just going to close here and go back to my wallet. And then what you would see is there would be native Flux now received within my wallet. So just giving it a little bit of time before it pops up in here. After being a little bit patient, here you can see I now have the tick next to it that indicates that my swap was successful. And that's really how easy it is to perform the swap from Flux-Algorand into native Flux. That's it for this video, guys. If you've liked the video, please like the video and maybe even consider subscribing to the channel. If you didn't, please specify in the comments what you would like me to change. Otherwise, I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.